Hello guys, it's Dale here with a long-term analysis of Swiss franc Japanese yen. Let's start with a volume analysis. On the right side of a chart you can see yearly market profile. You can see that it is D-shaped, indicating that there is temporary balance between sellers and buyers. The point of control is right there at those price levels, indicating that in these areas the heaviest volumes of the whole year were accumulated. Extremes of this profile are right there and right there, and there are also significant volume clusters at those extremes. There's one volume cluster and a little bit smaller volume cluster is right there. Let's now have a look at the price action analysis. This chart on the right side of the screen is showing the year 2017 with daily candles, and the most significant areas in this chart, at least for me, are those sideways price action areas where heavy volumes got accumulated. So those are the sideways price action areas. Another significant areas for me are strong and aggressive initiation areas. So this is a strong selling area, this is strong buying area, this is again strong buying area, and strong and aggressive selling area. You can also see very strong rejection of lower prices right there, indicating very strong sellers were adding to their positions, most likely right there at this volume cluster, pushing the price very aggressively upwards. So this is the price action and volume analysis of 2017. And let's have a look at some potential levels at this chart that we can trade. Because the profile for the whole year is D-shaped, I'll be looking for volume clusters at extremes of this profile for possible levels to trade from. So there is one volume cluster in this area, and there's a little bit bigger volume cluster at the higher extreme of the profile, somewhere in this area. So right now I need some confirmation from a price action. I need some significant price action area to actually confirm that those levels are good to trade from. So let's have a look at the price action. As I said right there, there is a strong rejection of low prices, which is good because it indicates strong and aggressive buyers adding to their positions, mostly at this volume cluster, pushing the price higher. So this is definitely confirmation from price action, and I'll be looking for a long trade somewhere from this area. If you look over at the higher volume cluster, and in this area you can see that there was a sideways price action in which those volumes got accumulated. After that there was a strong sell-off, indicating that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers, and I think that if there is a pullback somewhere to this area, those sellers will become aggressive and they'll be defending their positions, pushing the price lower. So again, there is confirmation from a price action point of view. So right now we just need to make those two levels, this short level and this long level, more precise, and we will do it through the 30-minute chart. So let's start with the lower level first, which is somewhere around in this area. We want to go long somewhere from this area, but we don't know where. So if we zoom this area, and have a look at 30-minute chart of this area, you will get this, the left side of my screen. And we will look for some confirmation from the 30-minute price action and from the volume profile from this area. So if you look closely, you can see that there is sideways price action right there, in which the heaviest volumes in this area got accumulated right there. After that, there was a strong buying activity, indicating that those volumes were probably volumes of strong buyers. And this is a pretty solid confirmation for my long level, and I think that the perfect place for that long level would be right there at the local point of control of this sideways price action area, because the heaviest volumes got accumulated right there at 108.85. so that would be exactly my level to go long from. Let's have a look at the higher level, which is a short level somewhere in this area. Right now I don't know where, I only know that it should be somewhere at this volume cluster. So let's have a look at this area, and if we zoom it in, we'll get this. This is a 30-minute time frame, 30-minute candles, and we will try to find the best spot for our short level there. In this case, I think it's very easy to spot. There is a sideways price action in which very heavy volumes got accumulated. You can see the volumes right there. After that, there was a strong sell-off, indicating that those volumes were volumes of strong sellers, and the strongest sellers, the most of their positions were probably placed right there at the local point of control of this area, and for that reason my short level will be exactly at this place, which is at 117.45. so right now I have exact places for my levels, for my short level and for my long level. The furthest profit target for those levels could be the yearly point of control, which is right there. I think that, for example, you can trade with 2 or 3 positions, and the third position could be a trading position which you will try to trail towards the profit target right there at the point of control of the year. So guys, I hope you found this analysis helpful. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then, happy trading!